Hello, my creative friends, and welcome back to our festive craft world. As Xmas draws near, our heart filled with joy, light, and creativity. Today's video is all about the heart Xmas decor, the Xmas trees. We will explore how to make miniature and minimalist Xmas trees, create beautiful table centerpiece with pine cones and natural materials, and also talk about the amazing benefits of crafting and decorating during the holiday season. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into a world of creativity, simplicity, and festive charm. Before we start crafting, let's understand the meaning of behind the Xmas tree. For centuries, evergreen trees have been symbols of life, hope, and renewal. Even in the coldest winter, these trees stay green, reminding us that life continues and light always returns. Decorating a Xmas tree brings families together. It's time when laughter fills the room and memories are made. Every ornament you hang, every light you place carries your love and intention. The Xmas tree is not just decor, it's a symbol of unity, joy, and everlasting hope. Now let's talk about minimalist Xmas trees, perfect for table shelves and small spaces. You don't need a big tree for feel festive, even a small handmade and can brighten your home. Start with jute rope or twine and wrap around a cone-shaped cardboard base. Secure it with glue and decorate it with tiny bells and pine cones. You are also use green felt fabric into cut into leaf shapes and glue them layer by layer on the cone to decorate a soft natural look. Add a small star at the top, and your mini Xmas tree is ready. Another beautiful option is a pinecone Xmas tree. Just take a large pinecone, paint the tips white for a snowy effect, and glue small beads or glitter as ornaments. Place it in a tiny pot or candle holders. It makes a perfect miniature centerpiece. You can also make jar lid trees. Use small jar lids as bases and cotton snow, and place a mini tree on top. Cover it with a glass dome for a magical winter season. Mini trees are not only cute, they are budget friendly, eco friendly, and can be made using recycled materials. Now let's move to minimalist Xmas trees. Modern, clean, and simple designs that still feels festive. Minimalist doesn't mean empty. It means meaningful simplicity. You can create a minimalist tree using wooden sticks or twigs. Arrange them in a triangle shape on your wall. Tie them with jute rope and decorate with fairy lights and small ornaments. Another idea is a ladder style Xmas tree. Try a small wooden ladder, wrap it with lights, and hang pine cones, stars, small stars, or even handwritten blessing on it. If you love crafting with jute, you can design a flat jute tree on a board. Use hot glue to create the tree shape and add natural materials like cinnamon stick and berries and lace ribbons. Minimalist decor is perfect for those who prefer natural and calm vibes. It's not about adding more, it's about choosing what truly brings peace and beauty to your space. Now let's create a Xmas table centerpiece that combines miniature trees and pine cones. Take a wooden tray or a simple round plate as your base. Place 2 or 3 miniature trees or different heights on the side. Add pine cones, candles, and tiny ornaments around them. You can sprinkle some artificial snow or glitter for a frosty look. If you want a natural scent, add dried orange, cinnamon sticks, and a star anise. To take it a more elegant, wrap the base with jute or burlap fabric and tie it with a ribbon. At night, when you light the candles, the soft glow around your mini trees and pine cones will look magical. Another idea is glass jar centerpiece. Fill a jar with fake snow. Place a mini Xmas tree inside and seal the top with jute fabric. You can line several jars along your table for a cozy winter village effect. If you have extra pine cones, paint some of them gold or silver. They will add a festive sparkle to your centerpiece. Now, let's talk about the benefits of mixed crafting and decoration. When you decorate or craft, your mind becomes calm and focused. It's a form of meditation that reduces stress and brings joy. Decorating together with your family, especially children, creates unforgettable memories. It teaches teamwork, sharing, and appreciation. Meaningful gifting. Handmade trees or centerpiece make wonderful gifts that carry your love, effort, and care. Something truly special. Emotional uplift. The colors, light, and texture of Xmas decor bring positive energy into your home. It helps you feel peaceful, thankful, and inspired. Using natural materials, eco-friendly living. Using natural materials like Pinecones, jute, and recycled items helps protect the environment and keeps your decor sustainable. Decorating together with your family, especially children, creates unforgettable memories. It teaches teamwork, sharing, and appreciation. When you decorate or craft, your mind becomes calm and focused.